Hey guys, Jay here. I want to do a quick demonstration of this handheld mini vac. I know it's good for car cleanings, so my car is a little bit dirty. So I'm gonna use some of the pieces that came with it. We got the extender here and the two-in-one brush, and like you use this like corners and little cracks and crevices. So I'm gonna test it out real quick and show you the results. As you can see here, it picked up a lot of dirt and dust, little rocks and whatnot that was in the floorboard. Overall, I would say this isn't for just like a replacement of a shop vac that you would use for your car. But if you just got a few dust and dirt around your vehicle, I highly recommend getting something like this, but nothing for, I would say, like deep cleaning for your car. Hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.